Today we're going to be doing the brakes on this 2017 F350. We started to notice the brakes were getting a little squeaky, so it's definitely time to change them out. Let's dive into it. Important note, we do have semi-adapters on this truck, so now we're going to go ahead and take these off, and then this is where you'll start your process at home. Now I got the bolts off the extension, we are going to hit it with the rubber mallet and break it loose. Alright, now you're going to want to disconnect your ABS wire from your brake lines. Old mechanic's trick here, we're going to save some time. We are going to compress the pistons in here before moving the caliper. Next step is to remove the 21mm bolt so we can get the caliper bracket off. Before throwing on these rotors, I'm going to add some anti-seize onto the hub mating surface. Now we're going to go ahead and install the Diesel premium rotors. Now we're going to go ahead and install everything in reverse order. Always remember to lube your slide pins and replace your hardware. The caliper bracket gets torqued down to 203 foot-pounds. Alright, now we're going to throw in brand new Diesel brake pads. Next we're going to put the brake caliper back on. You're going to want to torque the two bolts down to 55 foot-pound. Alright, this is where you throw your stock wheels on and torque it to 165 foot-pounds. And that does it. That is how you change your front brakes on your 2017 F350. For all of your diesel maintenance essentials, Diesel has you covered. Check us out at docsdiesel.com.